Hello, we are the Adventium capstone group of 2019. Today I'm going to give you a rundown of what we did this semester with Adventium. Let me just open up my PowerPoint presentation quick. I guess I forgot to make it. Just give me 1 second here. Alright, there we go. So like I said, we are the NDSU capstone Adventium group. Our team consists of Ryan Pufal, Colton Burnett, Hung Dao, and me, Jacob O'Reilly. Our sponsors were Alex and August. A little overview of the company. The company is based out of Minneapolis. They develop solutions for safe and secure software-intensive complex systems, and one of their major things is the CAMIT library, which is what our project will be put into. The CAMIT library is used for a lot of software development testing. So companies will use the CAMIT library to catch violations of system level requirements early in the design and development of their own software products. So that way they can save themselves a lot of time and a lot of money on maybe an error that they've screwed up early on. So the problem we were given was to make it easier to demonstrate the data that is returned from the library. It's returned as an XML format, which is not the greatest thing to look at. So instead of these people running through the XML format to transfer it into a PowerPoint slide so they can present what went wrong, we made that part automatic. So then the XML data will automatically be formatted right into a PowerPoint slide, because when they run the CAMIT library tools, then it can run our tool and create the slide. A little overview of how it's implemented is that it reads an XML file or just XML data in general and takes a PowerPoint template of the choosing, and the program puts those together magically and you get a PowerPoint presentation. This implementation requires an API so these people can use it in their programs. Now, in my example, I decided to go with making a main method type system so I could show how you could input an XML file and a video template file and a location for your presentation to come out, and how you can get that presentation. Now, in other scenarios, in a lot of scenarios, these people will be using the API method that we've created and just integrate it directly into their project, so that way they won't be inputting files. They'll just be taking XML data, and maybe they'll set a specific PowerPoint template that they'll use for every single one and exactly where they want it to come out with all of their reports. Our project has an end-to-end implementation of, right now, just the strings. So as you can see on the front, we have the title, the NDSU capstone project with Adventium and our names. That all came from an XML data sheet. Everything else was hard-coded into our PowerPoint presentation, but the idea is that you would be able to get stuff like that in there more with lists and tables, which is in future implementations and development of this product. But that is a bit of a rundown of how our product works, and thank you.